This week's art inspiration comes from Erwin Greenberg, who was a watercolorist and art instructor. Greenberg said, "Draw everywhere and all the time. An artist is a sketchbook with a person attached." Poetry. The sketchbook isn't just a tool, it's an extension of how the artist moves through the world, ever observing, ever noticing, ever translating life into line. If you want to learn how to draw, start drawing and keep drawing. Drawing, painting, printmaking, singing isn't something that the artist does occasionally. Every artist out there, every artist you admire, can do what they do today because they never stopped exploring. I really want to quote Galaxy Quest by saying, "Never give up, never surrender." So go out, be great, explore your passions, and may the creative force be with you.